OQ
focus very much on safe and reliable operations. But in the next step of our journey, it has to be safe, reliable, efficient and competitive. And we thought of bringing in an external consultant like DSS to help us with a structured approach to identify areas of value, whether it's better production or cost reduction or energy, in order to make us more efficient. DSS brought a very good systematic approach, and that was exactly why we selected DSS. So they also understand and speak the language. In that sense, I think DSS was a good fit in order to help us with this operational excellence program. So we first went through a phase of assessment in various aspects of the company. It was technical, and even the non-technical service functions were part of that, where we identified 3 work streams to really be focused and then go after that value. So in the end of the day, our focus and priority was on operations, where we applied what is called production loss accounting in order to identify and improve and eliminate any losses, and then drive through continuous improvement to higher production. And we looked at maintenance. And maintenance is all about planning, better reliability, efficiency in terms of execution, whether it's that with our own staff or with third-party resources. And the third work stream was around sales and operations planning, is the process of the monthly plan, supply chain operations, shipping, jetties, transport, inventory, which identified also pockets of value. The program has been successful after 1 year, and we intend to continue this program for another year with DSS. The success was in the mobilization and the application of a practical, structured work methodology for our own employees to learn and to take forward in the future. And the actual generation of value in this year, in the first year of our collaboration. The success, as I said, was to make OQ more efficient, more competitive. So it's all about value through more production, lower costs, and doing the right thing.